Gotta
Your
get you
3D
that.
your 3D printed toothpaste dog thing, do you know what that reminds me of?
Hmm.
I've seen this a lot online, but funny enough, my faculty does it. They have a 3D printed like Dwayne the Rock Johnson head, and then it's
Yeah.
on like a Pikachu body, or it's on Shrek's body, or it's on an Among Us body. It's like stupid humor, but it's so entertaining.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
No way, because I just pulled up this.
No way.
Yeah, oh my god, he has little hands.
What is he doing this?
He's like,
Is it
rock on, dude. I'm never doing that again. That was
that's
cringe. I just like, why is it the rock?
it's because of that one look he gave where he's like, I can't do the eyebrow thing, but it's like one eyebrow up.
I can't do it.
You got this. You got this.